Yan, good morning my dudes. So for today, pag-uusapan natin ang about sa automatic voltage regulator and extension outlets. I've been using ABR na for the past few years, and on my previous companies as an IT, nakakita na ako ng iba't ibang brands ng ABR or automatic voltage regulator. So yung ipapakita ko sa screen is yung common na nabibili natin sa mga computer stores na ABR. For added protection, minsan maganda rin na magkaroon ng ABR for voltage regulation just in case na out of the blue ay magkaroon ng power surge. A few months ago, I decided to check on what Panther extension outlet can offer. And based on what I have seen on my previous job, I see in particular that Panther is used for voltage regulation of sensitive equipments. So nakita ko na ginagamit nila siya for yung mga sensitive equipments dun sa office. The ABR on that office ay madali ding masira. The conclusion is matibay talaga si Panther. So I look into this particular model, PSP 0818, a model from Panther. By the way, Panther is a company in the Philippines. What's the purpose of this video is to protect your electronic devices from voltage fluctuations and surges with the Panther PSP 0818. In addition to the voltage regulator, Panther PSP 0818 also includes a circuit breaker. So may fuse siya. Meron siyang voltage surge protector and a line or noise filter, providing added safety and protection sa ating mga gamit. So meron siyang 6 neon switches. Pwede mong i-off individually yung outlet niya. Unlike other extension outlet na plug nyo lang and then hindi nyo na ma-off unless i-unplug nyo yung buong outlet or extension. And so meron siyang mahabang wire, 1.75 meters. And it can connect multiple devices at once because high-rated yung kanyang mga wire. Hindi siya mag-overload agad. Alright, the Panther switch extension cord has durable powder-coated metal casing and includes a lifetime service warranty. So matibay talaga siya. And then, kaya alamin natin kung sulit ba ang extension cord na ito versus sa mga standalone na ABR or UPS in terms of price na gamitin sa ating mga computer, desktop, and other devices. So, ano nga ba yung voltage surge? Normally, we get 220 volts from our DU or distribution utility. So yan yung nakukuha natin to 20 volts. It's alternating current, meaning it is a wave. It alternates from positive to negative. But sometimes it happens that the voltage will not stay at 220 volts. We will talk about the reason why it happens. But if that happened to your electronics and your electronic device does not have a good power supply, because other power supply can tolerate the variability of the voltage or if there's a surge. But sometimes the older power supply will fail, it will break if it encounters a power surge. Especially computers because it is very sensitive to electrical disturbances or power surge. Alright, and there is a 6 neon switch to control the individual outlet of this extension, which is very easy and convenient for you. For example, you want to turn off a charger, so you just need to switch off the outlet individually You don't need to unplug that charger from the outlet while the other outlet runs. So it's very convenient for you to have a switch on your extension outlet. All right, and then it has 3 parallel outlets with grounding. So most homes in the Philippines does not have grounding, but this is essential. It allows you to connect plugs that has grounding pin. So you don't need to void the warranty of your computer or other gadgets by removing the grounding pin. So you don't need to buy an adapter because the outlet provides you with the grounding pin. Okay, and it also have the 3 normal 2-way outlets. So just the normal outlet, 2 plugs. Okay, and then it has a 90-degree outlet orientation. So for flexibility of positioning your plugs, because plugs has different shapes. And this is a good feature. And finally, there's a line or noise filter which eliminates interference and noise that can affect the performance of your connected devices. So the cord itself is gawa sa Royal cord number 13. Yung case niya is very durable. It's made of metal, but it is safe because it is powder coated for durability and protection. Okay, so do we need an AVR? Yes, as what we discussed earlier, automatic voltage regulator or AVR is still recommended for computers because, as what we discussed, computers are delicate electronics and it's very susceptible to surge in voltage, which could harm the components. Thankfully, most high-end or medium-priced power supply comes with a good surge protection. And voltage fluctuations and power surges can damage the sensitive electronics inside your computer. So it will cost you more if you avoid this added protection. In 7 years, I replaced the AVR twice already. And those AVR products are from my local computer parts store. I suspect that they are not quality products because although 2 times replacement in 7 years is good, I do not use the desktop a lot as well as the AVR. But in that case, if I am gonna buy an AVR, I will make sure that it's quality product and it will last long. So that is the reason why I do not buy AVR anymore. I buy the Panther voltage regulator extension outlet. Why is there a power surge? So one of the common source of power surge is lightning strikes at yung mga other natural events such as storms or high winds that can cause in the disruptions in power. Pag kumikidlat-kidlat, normally, pag may natamaan na electric post, so magkikreate yun ng surge, which can actually break and fry your sensitive electronics. Other sources are probably low voltage due to a nearby neighbor conducting welding. So sometimes welding draws a lot of current and it will affect the normal AC or alternating current on your power line. Alternatives for AVR includes UPS. So it costs a lot than the AVR because of the battery. Battery costs more. Alright, so what I decided is I bought this Panther extension outlet with voltage surge protection. The model is PSP 0818 and I will show you how much it costs to buy this extension outlet. Hindi naman siya masyadong expensive and I think it's worth it I have received two features from one product. So I already have a extension. I also have a voltage regulator. So it's two in one, plus other features I stated earlier. But if we will think about it, something that we might have not heard of is an ABR that can protect your entire house. So it's not a device you connect per gadget or per computer. You can actually protect your entire house from power surge. So I actually bought this one. It's a protector for voltage surge. And as you can see, so this one is very handy because it protects other devices as long as they connect to the power outlet inside the house. So it's a second protection for my computer aside from the Panther outlet. I hope you find this video informative. Please subscribe and like this video. Have a great day. Bye.